Alright, he's gonna run and she's gonna follow her. So go run to the lake all the way over there. So we're gonna run to that lake. Ready? She's gonna hop like crazy. Hold on. Go. Wait. Stop. Stop. Stop.
What are you doing? What are you doing, cutie girl?
Okay, go.
Go. Let's go.
Your camera is blurred.
She's not doing it. I think she's tired now.
Your camera is literally blurred.
Let's go. This way.
Wait, wait. Ah! She's gonna go. No, she's not tired. Oh God, hold on. No, she's not. She has a lot of energy. Her name is Luna. Come here, Luna.
Come on, Moon. Luna Moon. Luna Tuna. Let's go.
No, no. No, Greg. Let's
Ready?
go all around the complex. Let's go into the tennis court.
You can't.
Yes.
You can't bring on the tennis court.
Yeah.
You can't bring, there's a sign, you can't bring animals on the tennis court. They poop and pee on there. Oh, she's nutty.
Alright, then we'll go all around the complex.
No, we can't.
Yeah, we can. Alright, guys, so we're gonna go all around the complex.
No, we can't. Walk through after dinner.
Alright.
Dinner's ready. Walk
No, it's
through
not.
after dinner. We'll feed her.
Run, so she'll follow you.
This way.
Ready? Oh, wait, hold on. I'm gonna make it. Hold on, stop. Hold on.
Plus I gotta feed. You're not recording,
Stop. You just said that in front of the video, and you know I'm posting this on YouTube, right?
No.
Yeah, I am.
Luna.
Luna, this way, this way,
Oh.
this way. Oh my God, Luna.
Luna.
No, this way in the parking lot. We're going around the parking lot. No, this one.
All right.
3 times.
No, we're not going to do that.
2 then. No, 3. No, that way. In the middle, so she goes in the puddle. Luna, you go in the grass.
Luna.
Hold on, guys. Run. Actually, run so she follows me. All right, here you go. Hold the leash. Hold the leash. Your time now. All right.
Come on.
Wait. Your finger's in the way.
It's not.
Yes, it is. Look.
Look, that's not my finger.
Yes, it is.